Hi friends, welcome to my channel. If you are not yet subscribed my channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my videos as a notifications. So here I started the Telegram as well as the Facebook groups, and both the two links I kept in the description box of this video. So the interested candidates may join in this group, guys. And in this video we are going to see the university and affiliated the colleges employment news. Okay, and daily you are going to get the different notifications from the different universities and the affiliated colleges at evening 6 o'clock. So here there are opportunities for the UG or PG or non-UG SNET or UG SNET or without PhD or with PhD. Okay, so please subscribe the channel, share this video, like and comment, guys. Going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwini Kumar, an academy educator for the electronic science as well as the paper 1. So here the complete course for the UGSNet electronic science as well as the paper 1 MCQ series is going to start. That means electronic science already started and the MCQ series is going to start. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan. The link I kept in the description box of this video and the details I kept at the end of this video. Coming to the present content of the video, here the first college is Bhagwant Group of Institutions, New Delhi, approved by AICTE, PCI, INC. And the vacancies, applications are required to fill up following vacancies for a large educational group with establishments in a different states: Vice Chancellor, Pro Vice Chancellor, Director, Registrar, Deputy Registrar, Assistant Registrar, Controller of Exams and a TPO for Bhagwant University, Ajmer, and Bhagwant Global University, Kodwar, and Boxall Hill University, Dehradun, Uttarakhand. Okay, the retired persons may also apply, and also required office superintendent, admin officer, office executives with sound knowledge of MS Office, and send CV with the copy of Aadhaar card, PAN and color photograph. State minimum salary expected and minimum joining time. Okay, so both these two you have to mention, and the subject should mention post applied for. Which post? You have to apply within 10 days, guys. Okay, so here the two email IDs are provided and the contact number is also provided. So if you are having any queries regarding this advertisement, then you may contact to this number, guys. And please apply as early as possible if you are interested. Fine. And next, it is Baba Paramanand Kanya Mahavidyalaya, Chakepal, Sangrur, and it is affiliated to Punjabi University, Patiala. So required assistant professor in computer science, commerce, English, sociology, maths, physics, and eligibility here UGC as per the UGC rules and regulations and Patiala in Punjabi University. Okay, and arrive at the college office on Wednesday, that is 10th March 2021 at 11 o'clock AM with documents for interview. Appointment is on contract basis, guys. Okay, so it is advertisement regarding these subjects. Okay, so please check down. And the next college is a Skylar Group of Institute, Latur, and the applications are invited from the eligible candidates for the following vacant post for institute in Maharashtra region. So the lecturer, number of posts are 3 are there, specialization is botany, and qualification PhD or SET or NET or MSc. Okay, the experience minimum 3 years. The selection will be done by the demo lecture. You can mail your resume along with relevant documents on this provided mail ID, and here the salary is 75,000 to 1 lakh. Okay, so it will be a wonderful opportunity to the candidates who belongs to botany, guys. Okay, so here the contact number is also there. If you are having any queries, then you may contact to this number, and here the mail ID is also there. Okay, guys. So next one, it is Eminent College of Pharmaceutical Technology, Parasat, affiliated to MAKAUT. Invites applications for the post of professor, associate and assistant professor. Actually in pharmacy departments these are all. Okay, so just the candidates who belongs to pharmacy, just have a look here. Qualifications as per the PCNM. So the interested candidates can send their CV within 10 days to this provided mail ID, and the shortlisted candidates will be informed through the email ID or the mentioned phone number in the resume. Okay, and coming to the next college. So it is Raisoni Institute of Engineering and Technology from Nagpur, guys. Assistant professor, applications are invited from the eligible candidates for the following post of assistant professor, associate professor and professor. So here the data science and artificial intelligence. So the number of vacancies are also mentioned here. Okay, you may check down. And coming to the qualifications for engineering subjects, BTech and MTech. That means UG and PG is enough. But while coming to the social and humanities, Additionally, the NET or SLET qualification is also required. Okay, and for the candidates from industry professions, the experience shall be managerial level equivalent to professor grade is required. And the application may be made on a plain paper prescribed pro forma and addressed to the principal or dean or director on the address given below on or before 17th March 2021, along with a crossed postal order of 100 rupees drawn in favor of principal or dean or director and certified copies of the relevant certificates or testimonials towards substantiation of eligibility in terms of academic qualifications. Right? And those who are in employment shall route their applications through their parent employer. Okay, so these are the details, guys, and here the address is also mentioned here, the college address. Fine, guys. So if you are having any queries regarding this advertisement, then please visit the official website of this college. Okay, and then you will get the contact number. Okay, so based upon that contact number, okay, get the information regarding this advertisement if you are having any queries. And coming to the next one is a system analyst from Navrachana University. It is a UGC recognized university, guys. So here the details are given here. So analyze how well software, hardware and their wider IT system. Okay, something description is given. And key responsibilities: examining the current systems, requirements gathering, producing specifications for new or modified systems, liaising with stakeholders to produce the new systems, implementing new systems, user training and the feedback. And the skills required are given here, and qualification and experience: any IT graduate with relevant minimum 10 years of experience, and a pay scale as per the UGC norms. So interested candidates may send your resume to this provided mail ID on or before 15th March 2021. If you are having any queries, here the contact numbers are provided here, so you may contact these numbers, and the official website is also given here. Okay, so you may go through the website, please. Okay, so these are the system analyst vacancy from the Navrachana University. Fine, and coming to the next one. So it is the next college, guys. It is Gurukula Kangri deemed to be University, Haridwar. So here walk-in interview for the post of assistant professor on the ad hoc basis. Candidates must bring their updated CV for attending the walk-in interview. So assistant professor, Department of Management Studies only for the male candidates, and walk-in interview is on 14th March 2021 and the 10 o'clock onwards. So bachelor's degree in any discipline and master's degree in business administration or PGDM or CA or ICW and MCOM with first class or equivalent and 2 years of professional experience after acquiring the master's degree. Place of walk-in interviews: Vice Chancellor's Office, GKV, Haridwar. And the post of assistant professor is temporary and only for the male candidates. The candidates will have no claim for regularization of their services. Application processing fees 500 rupees is to be paid as per the details given below before the date of interview, and candidate must bring a copy of fee receipt with relevant academic and the research documents. Here the account details are provided, and here qualifications and the guidelines for shortlisting is also given. Okay, the candidates mail only have to send applications in prescribed format on the email along with fee receipt. Okay, no fee for SC, ST and PWD candidates. Last date for submission of application is 12th March and the date of interview is 14th March. And coming to the qualification, bachelor's degree and the master's degree. So there is no need of UGC NET or the PhD. Okay, not mandatory. And coming to the selection criteria, assessment of academic record and research performance 100 marks. Interview by selection committee 30 marks. Okay, and merit list will be prepared by the selection committee on the basis of marks obtained by the candidates. Fine. So the few more details are also given here, so you may check down, guys. And coming to the next one is Durga Charan Chilika Degree College. Okay, here also the walk-in interview is there. Fine. So a walk-in interview will be held in the office of undersigned at 11 o'clock morning on the dated 17th March 2021 for the post of a lecturer in Odia on contractual basis. Applicants shall have to secure at least 55% of marks in PG and how to have the MPhil or the PhD degree. The desirous candidates are requested to attend the interview with all original and the photocopies of the certificates. And coming to the next college is the KPD Degree Women's College, okay, Nayagar. The contact number is also provided. So if you are having any queries regarding this walk-in interview, then you may contact these numbers, guys. So candidates having 55% or above marks in PG level may attend the walk-in interview at the principal chamber at 14th March 2021, okay, at 11 o'clock for the post of lecturer in ODIA and the political science. The candidates are to bring all original certificates along with one set of self-attested Xerox copies of certificate and the photograph. So no TA and DA will be provided. Fine. And coming to the next advertisement, it is Shriram Education Society, okay, Paltan, and affiliated to Shivaji University. So here wanted applications are invited from eligible candidates for the following post. So principal, director of physical education, librarian, assistant professor, and philosophy. So for the assistant professor, actually on the philosophy category subject, one vacancy it is there, that is for the unreserved category. And for detailed information about the post, qualification and other terms and conditions, you may visit the official website of this one, that is unishivaji.ac.in. So here it is a official website of the Shivaji University, guys. So you can enter into this one by going into the unishivaji.ac.in. Okay, so after entering into this one, here you may check down the recruitments blog here. So click on this one, then you will be directed to the notification regarding this paper advertisement of this recruitment. Okay guys, so these are the different colleges, okay, and the different details. So here's a lot of opportunities I showed here in this video. In the same way, daily evening at 6 o'clock you will get the updates regarding the teaching vacancies or also university and the affiliated colleges vacancies. So please subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. Okay, and like this video, and if you are having any questions, please comment. Okay guys, so the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so listen guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I'm going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I'm going to